Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a printer in Windows 10. So this process is nearly identical for earlier versions of Windows as well. But anyway, we're just going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by heading over to our start and we're going to search our printers. It should be listed directly above the control panel entry. So you want to left click on that. And then you'll see two sections here, one divided by devices and then one for printers. So the one with the little green circle with a white check mark through it, that will be your default printer. So just make sure that you have a secondary printer set up if you want one, because by default, if you don't have any other printers installed, Windows will revert back to some sort of generic printer. In this case, just this Microsoft Print a PDF. So let's say, for example, we want to delete one of these printers. It's very simple. We just want to right click on it and then left click on remove device, and then you'll be prompted if you're sure you want to remove this device. Left click on yes. You might be prompted for an administrative password if you're using a standard account. So once that is done, it's very straightforward. You can restart your computer and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.